Hairok MLA and Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam today inspected paddy fields in Hairok constituency which are experiencing dry spell due to scanty rainfall. The minister was accompanied by Command Area Development Authority officers during the inspection visit. State Health Society, National Health Mission Manipur and Directorate of Family Welfare Services Manipur have jointly observed World Population Day 2019 on the theme Family Planning Fulfills the Responsibility for Preparing a Healthy Mother and Child. The program was held at Indian Medical Association Hall, Lamphelt today. All Manipur Football Association and Titim Road Unique Game Players Numbol distributed football kits to players and coaches who are participating in a grassroots football program during a function held at Ibudo Koripaba Laibung yesterday. There was no respite for Meghalaya as heavy rain continued to lash several parts of the state during day and night time yesterday. This led to destruction of properties because of landslides and flash floods. No casualty was reported in the current heavy downpour except loss of 2 lives last week when a BSF Jawan was washed away by the fast-flowing Gunol River in West Karhil districts on June 30. An 11-year-old student was swept away by a stream at Sohyong area in East Khasi Hills district. The Mizoram government constituted a magisterial inquiry headed by Aizawl District Deputy Commissioner and District Magistrate to probe into the collapse of 3 buildings at Dodlang area on July 2, an officer released said. The magistrate was asked to submit its report within 2 weeks, the statement added. Meanwhile, the Mizoram unit of BJP has been demanding an independent judicial probe into the mishap. The party alleged that the buildings were vulnerable since the very beginning as they were located on loose structures. In order to provide security and maintenance of law and order, the East Jantia Hills district in Meghalaya has promulgated an order under Section 144 CRPC prohibiting movement of cattle or person on foot or in vehicle in areas falling under the international border belt with Bangladesh from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. As per sources, the order was imposed by an additional district magistrate in order to ensure maintenance of peace and tranquility along the border. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant along with 10 Congress MLAs who have switched to the Saffron Party will meet BJP National President Amit Shah in New Delhi today. As per report, the meeting comes a day after a group of 10 Congress MLAs in Goa led by leader of opposition in the assembly Chandrakant Kavlekar merged with the ruling BJP, increasing the Saffron Party's strength to 27 in the 40-seat house. A speeding passenger train rammed into a freight train in Pakistan's eastern Punjab province today, killing at least 11 people and injuring 60 others, according to media report. The Quetta-bound Akbar Express collided with a stationary freight train at the Walhar railway station in Sadiqabad Tehsil in the Punjab province. Tornadoes accompanied by violent hailstorms killed 6 tourists in northern Greece late last night, according to reports. Dozens more were injured when strong winds hit the region of Halkidiki near the city of Thessaloniki. Taiwan President Tsai Ing-wen left for the United States today on a trip that has angered Beijing, warning democracy must be defended and the island faced threats from overseas forces in a veiled reference to China. China, which claims self-ruled and democratic Taiwan as it owns and views it as a wayward province, has called on the United States not to allow Tsai to transit there on her overseas tour.